Alright guys, see about on top. So our last video we finished the landing page design with all this button animation and this navigation animation. So as I can say, this particular video now we'll just work on the animation on how this whole thing they fly now with GSAP, and that's not many of the wait for. So what we'll do, we will come here, then I go call GSAP now from CDN. So I'll click, then we'll go copy this one. So I'll just copy GSAP. So I'll come this place, I'll duplicate, then I go replace my source here to GSAP. You see here. Then underneath here, we'll create this create tag. So inside here now all our animation codes now go enter. For we create another app.js link and share bits, I don't want run it like that. So the first one we want to do now, we want create that page now. Like say as the thing load, the thing go drag up like cutting. You get. So what we'll do, we'll come this container here. So just before the rings now, I'll create 3 divs now. So div.overlay times 3. Then inside the div, we're not going to add anything, but I'll just put first, second, and third. So when I put it 3 like this now, I'll go my CSS, then I'll target overlay. So this overlay will give position to be absolute. Then we go set the width to 100%, and we'll set the height to, may the height be 100%. Then top could be 0%. Why the z-index now will count to a very high number. So if we use like maybe 99 or any more, just 99. Then we'll come down here. I'll say dot first. So this first now, I'll get the background color to be we'll use this red. So enter and refresh. You see, the cover be. Alright. So I'll duplicate. So this one will be second. Why this one will be third. So this second now, what we will do, we'll just set onto this one first. We'll go set on back to this main color shabets. I'll just show now the thing in a very clearer picture. One understand. Nugget. So I'll come here. I'll turn this one to 66.6. So if I go back, refresh, you see now, we'll get this 3. First machine is color self. So this one. So you see now. So don't want to be say, by the time the page load there, all these guys go draw, go up like cutting, then we'll see our content. So we'll go GSAP now. We'll go GSAP, go animate. So that I go do, I'll come this place now. I'll target the first overlay. So say twin max.to. Then first we'll set delay here 1.5, then (0.1), comma, then top could be top go be minus 100%. We'll set the ease to expo dot ease in out. All right, so we'll just see this one first mostly. So we refresh now. See and see the thing they draw, they go up a bit. So don't want to, all I know go up once, they go one after the other. So this one they go now, then this one will start. So maybe when you reach somewhere after, this one will start again. So we'll do, we'll go, in fact, I might just come here now. I'll say overlay animations. So I'll duplicate this one 2 times, give one small space. So this one will be second. This one will be third. So this second now, we'll set time to 3 here. While this other one will be 7. You get? So this one start now, the delay will come small, this one follow, this one will follow like that. You see? So we'll refresh. Show you the see. So I see that it don't make green, Abby. So I'll come here, I'll just copy this color now, maybe one color or true. All right. So if I refresh now, this will happen. The load. Okay. So now we'll do this one. I will comment them out so that by the time I refresh, okay, nobody else supposed to comment. I'll comment this side out. So when we finish that, we'll go on comment them back. So that when we refresh now, we'll go feel see the next animation so they come. So the first animation we want to do here now, the next one we want to do now, we want to do the header animation. So now we have these guys here. So this one will drop come, then this guy will come next, then this one will follow. So what we'll do, we will go back to the twin marks here, then I'll say header animations. So that I'll do, I'll target the logo first now. I'll target the logo, then we'll target the navigation and the baskets. So I'll just copy this one. Paste down here. Instead of 2, I'll go put from. And see logo img. We'll set the delay to 1. Then minus 100% easing out. So if I go back to my code, sorry, my designer. Okay, what's one about to right now? Twin marks from logo. Okay. Instead of top, it's supposed to be Y. That means the y-axis. So yeah, that job come down. So now the way to make this in the draw they go up every time itself. I'll just comment these guys here. Then I'll go up. I'll comment all these ones too. We're going to comment the later one we don't finish. So if I refresh, say drop come down. Okay? So we need to make this ones now, make the drop come down too. So what we'll do, we'll just duplicate quickly. So see now view li the anchor tag. Then we increase the delay to 1.4, and this one will still be 100%. Why this last one will be dot baskets, will increase the delay to 1.8. You get. Then we'll just set down to 150. All right. Refresh. Okay. What will be the issue here? Oh no, they come up. What the percent? Okay. All right. So if we say remove this one here, Seth. But we're going to increase the number of the bits. So we think it's like 150. We just set all of them to 150 Seth. So if we refresh, 1, 2, 3. You see on 1, 2, 3. So why the delay is strong like this now? Because now I'll be able to do it may load now. Now that's another cutting the draw they go up. You get now made the delay the show like this now. So you know steaming. Alright. So we'll finish the header animations here. The next one we'll do will be the product now. That means this side. So we'll add some HTML and CSS now to make the thing look nice. So what we'll do, I'll just come and say products. So I'll call my style here, then I'll create this class hide. Then I'll just give my position absolute. So the next one I'll do, I'll go back to my HTML now. See all this span web so we'll create here now. So we'll wrap up. Now how your use will come. So we'll target the span then we'll give them that class. We'll say hide. And we'll do the same for this one. So we'll say hide here as well. Alright. So after we'll say hide now, we'll go target the span them now. Then we'll add some CSS codes. So the first one I won't target now, I won't target the h1. I think it is somewhere here. Okay, this one. So we'll come down, then we'll go set position to relative, display hidden. No, sorry. Overflow hidden. Then we'll set the height to 165 pixel. Okay. So the aim now is say the height here now so could be like I'll show you so that you can understand it better, because this one a bit technical somehow. I'll put like green. So what we want to on that this light if I under your taste buds now, so it go push from bottom and it go enter. So when the thing start now, all this place now go they blank. They get that they blank, then they could just push. If you're not doing like that now, you see the thing go they draw they come from maybe down this are not maybe fly like that. May just fly from midpoint here. You get. So this same thing I will do for the other ones then too. So we'll do for H3. But this H3 now, we will set the height to be like 40 pixel. Then we will do the same thing for the paragraph. We'll set the paragraph owner to 205. Then we will do the same thing for this other H2 here. We'll set them to 60 pixel. So if I refresh now, we'll not get this thing like this now. Alright. So now we'll try to see how we take animate all these ones that made them see flying. So what I'll do, I'll go call my GSAP here now. My script tag now to call animator. I'll copy this code. Then we'll target products H1 hide. We'll set the delay to 2. It's not it increase gradually now. 1, 1.4, 1.8, and 2 because we try and make sure say as one the load finish now, it give the other one space now to come up to. You see? So we'll set them to 2. Then on the y-axis now, we'll just say maybe like 100%. Then release on expo is in out. So more refresh, we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? It'll come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So we'll do that one. We'll go duplicate. Then we'll target the H3, which is this natural cheese. We'll target these ones too. So might as well all of them sharp here. So H3 paragraph and H2. So this delay now at 2. So this next one now going to be 2.4, then 2.8, and theory. So we'll refresh. You see everything that they look nice. So more animate this button too. So to animate the button, I'll duplicate this one. Then product E, set this one to -70. Then the delay could be 2.4. Right. So if I refresh, never see target, I'm gonna see. Let's see. .btn e. Okay. So it's supposed to be .btn e. No. Come on, this one. .btn. Okay. Refresh. Okay. You see it don't make Benabi. Alright. So more animate this part now. We'll animate this part. So what we'll do, I'll just say / products display animations. So copy this code. we go target the Doritos first. That is this class. We'll target the Doritos. Even this one self, we're not going to get to use this ID again. So no need for her. So after we target what we go do, we go set delete to 2.5. Make it just above this guy small. 2.5, then from the wires it's gonna be 200%. You get to see a drop from a very far place. Refresh. You see the drop from up this side. You get. So if we leave I'm saying maybe like 100 now. You see the show for this place small. So we'll not make sure. So I'm graduating out to a very high number. So I think we shot like 150 self. Not the show at all. So this one's load come out now. The drop come down. You see. So these other guys I need to draw, they need to enter inside the scene too. So this is what I go do. We'll duplicate this one. Duplicate this one. Duplicate this one. So this one will be for the sheeps. Then this will be the ketchup. Why this one will be the soya pepper. Then we go see zone 1 too for the backdrop. Get so back drop. So we'll do these ships now. We'll reduce them by 1, 4. Then you need to fly come outside from the x-axis. You get. So the y now they come from up now. The other one now they come from bottom. So this other side now we'll set on to 200%. Then we'll come the ketchup. We'll set the delay to 2.8. We go fly from up to. So 200. Okay, the ships they fly come from. Let me say the ships they fly come from this side, now which is the x-axis. Why the ketchup now? They fly from the y-axis, but from bottom now. You get. So if we put minus here now, the thing will fly from top. See, so if you see the minus now, like with these Doritos here now, it will come from top. But if you know the minus, now, it will come from bottom. So I'm gonna refresh more see. Okay, you see. I think they scattered now, but wait first. This one fly come from here. This one come from bottom. Why this one come from up? So we need to target this remaining 2 guys now. So do we'll do. We'll come this chili, then we'll set the delay to be 3. The y will be 200. Then we'll come the backdrop. We'll set the delay to 1.8 because the backdrop now be the first one, like so first load from all of them. So just copy this, paste them here. So if we refresh, see backdrop will come up, or this one will come outside. Okay, sounds like it's just sleek now, Nabi. Just sweet. So I'm gonna comment this one. And I'll still go up. I'm going to comment this one too. So refresh. You see, make brain blast. So our landing page now, our landing page just set. So I said it just be not pass like this. Still do your own practice. All these asset files now, so these pictures now, I go leave the link now for the description of this video now. So where you fit get now via my GitHub repository. So now here we'll end this video now. We'll see create other tutorials that will work on GSAP, and let's I'm not sure. I go release full tutorial on GSAP so that you get a better understanding, because sometimes they confuse. They get, so we'll see how to work on and create other slick animation. But anyhow, I will end up for this video. I'll speak a little bit from top now. Big thank you. Now sleeping now. Like the video, subscribe, and see the other people where they happen. See you guys.